Hi, my name is Fred Aberly, and I'm with MarineMax of Westbrook. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of one of our brokerage boats. This is a Sailfish 275 dual console. The owner equipped this boat with a full electronics package, including a 12-inch Garmin screen, Yamaha instrumentation that monitors the engine systems. It also has a Fusion stereo and again a Garmin VHF radio. The owner also put in an additional option of weather curtains. This keeps the boat even more dry than it would be normally without them. The reason being is these weather curtains shield out any of the water that's coming from a hard wind and a beam sea. The boat itself has a 24-degree dead rise coupled with a lot of shear in her bow. So she's very dry, very smooth riding. The boat has a forward open bow area for seating with a stereo system up there. The speakers can be separated so you can listen to music there or back here. In the main cockpit, the boat has a refrigerator, fresh water. She carries 14 gallons of fresh water. She has plenty of seating back here. You could seat about 12 people comfortably in this boat. She's powered by twin 150 horsepower Yamaha motors that have less than 50 hours on her. The owner is trading up to a larger boat, so this enables you to jump into a great boat at a super price offered by MarineMax of Westbrook. We're located at 627 Boston Post Road in Westbrook, Connecticut. Our phone number is 860-399-5581. Thanks for watching.